So today I'm going to be showing you how to add a blog to your Wix website. I'm going to be using a church as an example. So this is a sermon that's going to be posted as a blog on a church website. We're taking their live stream video and then just turning that into a blog post. So we're using ChatGPT to do that, and you can use whatever AI you want to, but make sure you're able to pull all the words from that video and then put it into this. If you're not doing that, just take whatever you have for your blog post and put it in ChatGPT. So we're going to be doing that right now. So I have this in here. It's going to ask me about creating meta tags and descriptions. So if you don't already have those, you want to make sure you get those. I'm just going to say, after it gave me the blog post, after I inserted it, yes, I want meta tags, and great. So we're going to be going back to Wix. So once you're in your dashboard, you've signed in, there's an area on the left-hand side that says blog. You're going to click blog. So it's very revolutionary. So we're going to go to where it says create a new post. So we're going to go there. And this is just giving you a blank canvas. You can do all kinds of things with editing and kind of doing your own thing. They even have like their own AI stuff. So you can kind of there's a lot of different options, but don't be overwhelmed. We're only doing one thing today. So we're taking our blog post, which we've received from ChatGPT, because we gave it a sermon and it kind of came up with something. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to copy. So I'm going to copy that, right click it, click copy, and then you're going to go in your post and you're going to paste that in here. So when you do paste it in here, it's already going to add some things in here for like the colors and the size and things like that. So we're going to take this area, since it's the title, we're going to cut that out, delete that, and then we're going to paste that into here, copy and paste, very simple. And then you want to kind of work your way around, just make it a little bit easier for people to read, and just pressing enter through here, kind of cleaning it up a little bit, giving it a little bit more space, just doing one, and then right here. So once you're good here, there is some options for some SEO, which it goes into what we were talking a little bit about. I'm trying to see what it says, but that's where we're talking about your meta tags and things like that. So for additional tags, you can add those meta tags in here like that. There's some basic stuff. So your meta description, you want to include that. We talked a little bit about that. So this is what ChatGPT gave me for that meta description. It's 155 characters. And that's what people are going to see when they search it up on, say, Google, for instance. This is one of the first things they're going to see. So you can click create AI text if you want to, which, it's fine. You can get a couple of suggestions and use a keyword. I'm just going to use whatever chat gave me because it knows everything that I've already kind of prompted it with. And yeah, so that's going to be that right there. And then we can write, we can add a photo to this. I like to add photos to it, but for the sake of this video, I'm probably not going to, just because I don't know what's all available, but you totally can. So we're going to click save right here, and we're going to say this is going to be published because I want to get this approved and everything locked in. We're going to schedule it for that day. So great. So that is everything. If you want to go in and edit it before it goes up, you can totally do that. And then if you want to do some of the tags, you can add a few of the tags right here. So you can go back to your ChatGPT and what it told you, and then you can copy this and put this in your tag section, just like that. And you can also get AI to help you with that. So that's going to be it. We're going to click save, and then it's still going to be scheduled at the time we had put in there before. So if you found this helpful, and if you want to do these on your own, or if you need some help doing these, make sure to reach out. If you do, I can provide a service where I do these for you. Or if you just need a little bit more assistance with a different program or something like that, make sure to comment. I can help you out with that. So have a good rest of your day. If you enjoyed, make sure to follow along for more church help related tech content or just other content using AI. Have a good day.